Hey, we are adding and subtracting decimals. So if you add and subtract decimals, they have the same rules. It's pretty cool. You line them up and you bring them straight down. So if you look here, I have 14 and 62 thousandths plus 8 hundredths. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and write it vertical. That way it'll help me out a little bit. I'm going to put my two decimals. So I'm already lining them up, okay? I know that this is going to be an addition problem, and I can line them up and already bring it straight down. Okay, so I'm gonna put my first add in, 14 and 62 thousandths. So here, I will place it, and then I'm gonna look at my next one. I have 8 hundredths. To the left of my decimal, I have a 0, and to the right, I have 0, 8. Okay, so if you look, these two empty spaces don't mean anything. They don't have any value, so I can go ahead and put 0. Okay, and then it's obviously addition. 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 8 is 14, put your 4, add 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 4 plus 0 is 4, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So your answer here is going to be 14 and 142 thousandths. Okay, so that's just an addition problem. You line them up and you bring them straight down. Okay. You're going to follow the same steps for a subtraction problem. I have 267 and 892 thousandths minus 64 and 32 hundredths. Like I did earlier, I'm going to go ahead and put my decimals. I know it's a subtraction problem, and I can go ahead and bring it straight down. So I'm going to go ahead and write my first number, 267.892. And then I'm going to write this. To the left of my decimal, I have 64. To the right, I have 32. And I need to make sure that they line up correctly with all of them. So in the empty spaces, I can put 0. Alright? These line up, these line up, these line up, and so on. I just want to make sure everything lines up correctly. So now I have 2 minus 0, and that gives me 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. Here's my decimal. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So my answer is 203 and 572 thousandths. So, in summary, adding and subtracting decimals, all you do is you line them up and you bring them straight down.